Precision to me is not to just hit a number, but to be consistent with your result each time. My name's Tom McGrath. Here I run 3 mills, 2 5-axis and 1 3-axis. We use top-of-the-line technology. Our machinery is second to none in our capabilities with tolerances that we hold. So what excites me working at Align every day is the opportunity to contribute to a fast-moving, forward-thinking company and to be part of a growing, positive environment. There's decades of experience underneath this roof, and I have many mentors, and I've had mentors for the past 4 years. I myself have been a mentor to newer employees and other people in my part of the shop. Working at Align Precision is a fantastic career move. I'm thankful every day I get to work with the people I do. There's a lot of talented people here you can learn from and grow as an individual and continue to work well into the future and grow with the company.